I would say that we'll bring the latest technology here at mediaboxenT.com, and we do. Today, what we have is chasing F1. We have the fish finder drone. Now, I'm going to give you a few details of this. 1080 camera. You can send the camera all the way to 96 feet, 29 meters. Battery, 4,800 milliamps, up to 6 hours. Now, it uses GPS, it maintains position, and actually, if there's a lot of wind, this thing will maintain itself the same position. It comes home in case the connection or something goes wrong, automatically will go to the latest position you set. A much more incredible machine. I'm going to show you this right now. How are we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxenT.com, and yes, I said we bring the latest technology. Today we had to chase an F1 fish finder and more, because in my case, on your case, maybe you are not into fishing, but you love to go and take beautiful pictures or beautiful films of lakes, sea, Caribbean, anywhere. I think it's perfect the Caribbean to go and get those beautiful pictures of the ocean. Now, we're looking at about 96 feet all the way down, and I told you before, we're using the solar for this. It has a 2.45 gigahertz. It comes with memory too, so it can record inside the drone as well too. Infrared lighting and much more. And this is going to be a two-part video. Okay, this is what we took today. We're going to go we're going to open the box. We're going to go over details. My next video will be actually going to lake and get some beautiful videos. Right now it's winter time, so all the lakes are already frozen out, so I'm going to wait more for the spring. But if you go into ice fishing, this is perfect. I'm not into that, but that will be the perfect occasion right now to use it for that. So we can go over all those things. All right, so we have the fish finder chest one. Not only for fish, I said in my case, research, take beautiful pictures, see what's going on under the ocean. Full 1080 infrared night vision, vector layout, support and accessories amount. We're going to look that. Right, built-in automatic reel. We're going to check that out. Display, it has a GPS, one-click return. Battery, 6 hour, and you can even live broadcast. And the same. So let's go and let's see what we get. All right, so let's check this out. Here, full manual and information. Yeah, right there, the way it works. We go over a few things here. One thing you need to do before you use it, you need to download the app. All right, so you need to download the application. All right, let's go chasing GO2 app. Download it, install it on your phone. We're going to go over on the application as well too, and show you how to navigate. Right, so you press it left, right, pan to navigate. How to select the network and all that. We're gonna look into that in a second. If you guys need help, warranty, and what we get. So we get the robot, we get the camera and the pro. Now the sonar stand, but not the sonar, is an ERA. You need to do that. You get the antenna, the power supply for Australia, UK, South America, United States. They had all these ERAs. All right, the quick release pins support, and another O-ring and another screw. And that's not beautiful, but let's move things to the side as we check it. So this is the chase F1. All right, let's put that in the side and look a few things here. All right, so we got the power supply here, and allow you to use this and change it. This is in 110 volts, 240. Now for the camera, so you can, and when you finish, you can use and cover your camera. We have the O-ring, another screw. I'll show you what is that, and it clips in case you need to replace it. That's for the memory card, and that's the QC thing. I'm gonna put this back. We don't need that right now. Put this back there. So we need the two antennas, and this is the sonar. Right? I'm gonna put that on the side. This is the magic. This is the camera. I'm gonna put that on the side. And then what else? And then here you have all these in different plugs. All right, what you do, you just go and replace it from here and change in the set. Now, take the unit out. Let's put the antennas. I'll make it look real cool. So it has two antennas because it's a 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. That's the way you're going to connect to this unit, and it's over a few things. Now, nice to hold it, right? So you can put it right. You can use something to strap in into the water. Power it on. Now here comes already with memory, 16 gigabyte macro SD card. Includes right there, and this is the reset button, and that's the O-ring, right, in case water goes there. So that's why it's sealed, and so allow you to record there as well. You can do that right in your phone. We have it in a chase light. It's like a blue color light. We have the propellers here, so we have 4. This is to put the sonar. So either you connect the sonar, or either you can connect the feeder for the fish, so you can send food. I'll show you on a picture right now what it looks like. Now, and here is to connect either the feeder or the sonar. Now for the sonar, you need this, that you're going to be clicking right over here, and you put the sonar here. They don't have it. All right, and we show you the picture as well what the sonar looks like. Okay, now the way it comes on, you just turn it out over here. You get that little sound right there. That blue light is on. All right. Okay, I was trying to connect with my phone. It's not connected. Now, one thing is, you should never turn it on if there's no water, because you don't want the motors to overheat. So it requires water to work. All right. So if you're looking right below, we see here the wheel, and that's where you're going to be pulling the camera. Now, these are the battery. So if you want to get an extra battery, you can get an extra battery. Or to charge it, you're going to have to remove it from here, plug it in with the power supply, and bring it back. So it's good maybe to have 2 extra batteries. Keep it right there. Now for the camera, we got the camera here. So this is the weight. This is the camera with the night vision. Now there are a few ways to grab the camera. So we're going to go this way, and the camera is going to hold here. So we're going to put this here, and now we connect the camera. Now let's imagine that for a second, then we have this in the water, right? We send the camera now. In this case, the camera, show this way, the camera is going to point it down, because the weight I set my weight. So it depends where you want to set your weight. You can send the camera to be pointing down or pointing all the way down. If I go this way, you can see now where the camera is pointed down, right? So if I send the weight to here, right, the camera is going to be more this way, right? So we can change the angle. That's the way it works right now. Okay, so now let's move to the app, and we have it here, Jason J02. Even you can, and there are different models, so automatic when I set up this, right? That's when we start. But what I need to do now is turn on, let me turn on the drone. It's right there. And what I need to do is change the network. All right, we need to change the network, and we need to connect it to this. So let's go to the Wi-Fi, and here's this Jason, and it gives you a number as MAC address. I will believe each one has their own number, and now I'm connected to this, right? So I'll make sure it's a connection now from my cell to here. Minimize this up. All right, you have no internet access right now because I have a local connection there. Let's start the app again, right? And start. And you see right now, right? Well, we have the light right there. And then move this way. You can see right now, that's a nice 1080 resolution from the camera. Now from here, there are a few things we can do. It shows automatically the degree. It shows the 45 north. In reality, shows the distance. So it's here 0.06 meters. So it's the distance between the camera and that. It knows that. Right now, there's 22 Celsius here, and we got 92% of battery. Right. And if it's wind, you can just put that to hold. So what happened? The robot will try to maintain the position. Okay, so we'll try to maintain the position if you activate that right now. I can press here to start recording, and I can unlock it. A few things here we can turn on. I show you that we can define light, so I can turn. Oh, that's for the camera, so it activates the night vision, right, when you are under the water. This is directional light, so I activate the directional light. And this is camera stabilizer, so we can activate. I need to upgrade to the latest version, didn't do that yet, so we can activate also the camera stabilizer. Few things we can do here. Also, we can set the position of the GPS and much more. And let me go here, right? We can check the memory there. So here, right, so now I think I'm connected. They show me the position there, compass, so we can put the watermark. We can activate the 5G. I believe that 4G will be, it will get a better distance, right? We can format the car, but we need to calibrate that as well too. All the configurations, yeah. With advanced mode, what happened at that point, when you send the camera down, you can control that yourself out automatically. You can change the speed, how fast it goes, and how fast you retrieve the camera. Now this has an automatic mode, so when you send the camera, it has one speed. Automatic knows how fast. It depends whatever it caches down, how fast it needs to go, or how fast will retrieve it back. So it says here, be careful when you're going to be using the advanced mode, and you need to learn this out first. So for me, I would just go in the normal mode and then get into the advanced mode. This is a great unit. I like it a lot. I can't wait really to use it. Right now, this is more to show you more on the technical side, how the application works and what the unit looks like. And pretty simple. The full installation, right? Doesn't take much. Just go have fun and let me know, comment right below this video. So to get the chasing F1, hey, you know how, click the link below. I'll see you next time. Bye.